Even if I knew that tomorrow the world would go to pieces, I would still plant my apple tree. Martin Luther. The central government has several afforestation programs, among which the main one is the Green India Mission, which is also one of the 8 missions under the country's National Action Plan on climate change. Launched in 2014, the mission's broad objective is to increase the forest and tree cover by 5 million hectares, as well as to increase the quality of existing forest and tree cover in another 5 million hectares of forest, non-forest lands in 10 years. It's an ambitious project and definitely requires lots of collaboration from ground level to higher up. Something which is really a challenge for a country like India with a great level of diversity. However, if successful, which we wish for, it could help to abrogate the climate change issues that India and the world is facing. To play its part, the local administration of Bangalore, BBMP, has embarked upon a program named Koti Vriksha Sena, which envisages not only to plant 1 crore saplings in the city, but also to make sure that they survive. The BBMP is well aware that the accomplishment of such a big project is not possible without the participation of civil societies, NGOs and RWAs. So it has come up with a platform named Koti Vriksha Sena, which with the collaboration of various organizations help people to collect the saplings and plant them with the available space within the city to increase green cover all across. BBMP recently organized a mega plantation drive across Bangalore in 27 assembly constituencies with the target of planting 75,000 trees on the eve of 75th Independence Day of India. We were lucky enough to cover one such event organized in Mahadevpura constituency by BBMP Koti Vriksha Sena in association with an NGO Anvaya Foundation Trust with the support of RWA Mahadevpura, Rotary Bangalore Whitefield Central and One Roof, distributing 7,500 saplings to be planted across Mahadevpura on 75th Independence Day under the leadership of MLA Mr. Arvind Limbavali, former Minister, Government of Karnataka. Total of 150 apartments in Whitefield registered for the event. Shri Arvind Limbavali shared the government's perspective for afforestation and some of the targets the government has. The target is to reach plantation of 75,000 saplings within Mahadevpura constituency out of 1 crore saplings. The total forest cover target in Karnataka is 33% and we have already reached 23%. The event ended with sapling distribution to all the RWAs and token plantation of a sapling by Sri Arvind Limbavali ji in the Whitefield Inner Circle Park. Today, I choose life. Every morning when I wake up, I can choose joy, happiness, negativity, pain. To feel the freedom that comes from being able to continue to make mistakes and choices. Today, I choose to feel life, not to deny my humanity, but embrace it. Godspeed.